donkeys.
There are.
I'm so excited.
We found a little slice of Africa in the middle of Arizona.
They must feed them these ones.
Yeah, the pellets.
Hey, you guys want some food?
Want some food?
He's feeding little donkeys.
Oh, this guy wants some, but he doesn't have a spot.
I'll just drop. Why is it so funny?
Well, these guys are getting left out over here.
Just open up their mouth and just drop.
Little donkeys aren't the only cool thing here, though. There's like 200 ostriches over there.
Yeah.
And there's deer. I want to feed a deer.
This guy's really hungry. This guy really wants it.
Okay. This is weird.
There's toss food on donkey's mouth. This guy.
I don't want to burn through all my food all yet. Hey, look, there's goats at a hole in the wall over there. I don't know. Let's see some more stuff. This is awesome.
Pretty great.
That's the parakeets over there. Quackville? Is there ducks?
I don't know.
Why is there 2 cups? Is there something on the bottom here?
There's like coins.
Oh,
in
tokens. And a...
thing of liquid.
I don't know what to do with that.
I'm pretty sure that's for the little birds.
Oh, right here. It says a small cup of nectar for the lorikeets. 1 self-serve bunny food. 1 self-serve duck food. And a small cup of nectar. Let's go find the deer. I want to feed a deer.
You feed the ostriches with the stick.
Oh, I see the deer.
You feed the ostriches
Do you?
with the stick.
But there's a deer over there. Oh, whoa. Fallow deer. Where are fallow deer from? Oh, originated from Europe. So it's not all Africa.
Yeah, the deer was so funny.
This is... Look at him.
This is an albino one.
They look tired.
Force them all out.
This one's hungry.
Hey. Why do you want his food more than
some?
Yeah, really, you're not eating from him, not me. Can I pet it?
Yeah, you can pet it.
Well, you know you want
Said
some.
it was a petting zoo. Here, you want some?
Oh, I fed the little one.
Can I pet you? Look at all the ones back there. The one with the big antlers. Are they tranquilized or something? They seem really tired.
I think they smoked some.
I'm petting it.
I'm petting the fallow deer.
Why are some of them albino and some of them aren't?
Why are you chewing?
Oh, don't chew on that.
That's their teeth. Why eat my fingers?
Hey, let's go over the ostriches. That one doesn't want any. I tried giving it food already.
Grab that down.
Well, you feed these goats at the hole in the wall.
They're part of a gang.
Look at the goat hen house on the scissor lift.
These goats are part of a gang.
They have a mailbox up there.
They're part of a gang.
Are they?
Yeah, look, it says.
Oh yeah, hole in the wall gang.
What's
It
this
says
guy?
to feed them 1 piece at a time, I guess. Oh, it spit it out.
This guy wants one.
This guy wants some. How are yours doing?
Yeah, they make the weird tongue movements when you get close to it.
Hey, look. It says to kiss the goats. Oh, to put a piece between your lips.
I don't want to.
I don't want to either. Not responsible for accidents. That's what the sign says. Okay, what does it say to do?
Pellets.
Oh, I thought we had to.
I thought that was.
I thought the stick was for. That must be for a bird or something. Oh, these are birds, like a normal bird. Yes, they bite, is what it. I think you're supposed to.
Look at his face. Look at his face. Looking at it.
It says to hold it like this if you're gonna feed them with your hand. Look at their long necks.
They scare me.
Look at them. They're so weird. I'm gonna do the adventurous way and do it like this. That is so creepy how they look. Their necks are like snakes coming off a big body.
Bit my handle.
They're so creepy how they look at you. They're human looking eyes. Oh, don't bite me, don't bite me.
They fight each other.
The way they look at you in your eyes is so weird.
Hand it to you?
Probably bite your fingers. Oh, this is so weird. Don't bite me, don't bite me. Oh no, not all of you at once.
Scary.
How about you? Ah, I got my fingers a little bit.
Oh, that guy. What is this alpha check? It's about their hair that they have on their head.
Why are they so weird looking?
They don't like it when you get hurt.
Ow! He went right for my fingers. Ow! He bit my hand twice. They bite hard.
His neck.
Liam, it went. I had a piece of food and it went for my fingers both times. It wasn't even going for the food. Maybe this one looks nicer. You nicer? Yeah, you are. That other one was mean.
You got my hand a little bit, but not hard.
They bite really hard.
Like you said. Hey, let me. It's like a Jurassic Park.
Hold your cup of food up there and see what happens.
No, I want. They're kind of greedy pieces of crap.
They really are, and they're mean sometimes. That one took someone's food cup.
Look at this guy.
He looks mean. Let's see if he's nice. Oh, he wasn't bad.
Oh, you can grab it.
Oh, there's a bridge we can walk and get higher up.
Look at the faces. Oh, this guy walked.
They're like alien. They're not even like, these don't belong on Earth.
Dude.
I'll feed you down through
This is
here.
a nice guy right here. That guy right there, he's a nice dude.
That one?
Yeah.
He looks nice.
He's just honest dude.
This guy does not
This
look
is a
nice.
nice
Look
dude.
at this one.
He's a nice dude. He didn't bite me.
That one that went specifically for my hand.
This guy looks angry.
I don't want to feed some of these.
There you go.
This is so weird.
Steal the cups though, that's the thing.
Yeah, reach your cup up there and see what happens. Hey, there's some sheep over here. That one bit my fingers twice hard. It didn't even attempt for the food.
It was just angry at you. This was far more, this is worth more than $15.
Yeah, this is great.
This guy will come right over the edge.
They can definitely get out of there if they want to. These are much nicer. No, you can't have this. I don't know what this is for. And also don't feed them this. We have to get food somewhere else. usually come back to the bunnies last because we can use our spare cup. And we have the nectar for the birds. More goats here.
I like feeding ostriches because they're aliens.
Oh, we have to finish feeding all the green pellets before we can come over here. We give them to the ostriches.
It's kind of fun feeding ostriches because it's like a gamble if you're gonna lose a finger.
I mean, we can feed goats and stuff anywhere, but I've never fed an ostrich anywhere else.
I want to pick you.
You'll get one. Oh, it's so
This guy.
creepy.
Little bite.
Oh, that one's very gentle.
You're a gentle dude. You're a gentle dude. You have two.
I like this guy. Hey, I like this guy. Oh, this one, he looks nice. Oh.
They kind of.
Yeah, that one's gentle too. He got my finger a little bit, but it wasn't on purpose.
I can't tell if they're.
What's that guy biting for? I'm afraid he's gonna take off my hand.
Thank you.
It like doesn't hurt, it just surprises you.
This is my friend right here. This is my friend.
It's like the nicest one.
This guy.
This one's nice too.
I just held up like a handful and that guy just generally took one out.
This guy, I don't know if I trust him though.
Hey, wait your turn. Oh, this guy's pretty gentle about it. Hey.
It's weird how much personality they have between them. Like, you'd think they'd all kind of act the same.
I don't want to catch one. Hey, catch. Oh, hey, don't catch them.
That one's trying to get out.
Hey. He's like, I'm getting out of here.
This guy's crazy. Look at him. Oh, but he's nice. Oh, that one's trying to get in on it. Oh, they're battling it out for the food.
He's a hairy dude.
Wish we'd go in there with him.
No. Look at their nose holes.
That guy went right for my finger.
Look at their nose holes.
Is this fun or is it painful? Oh, it's hot out here.
He got my entire hand in his mouth.
That guy, the one that was trying to escape.
He got my entire hand in his. That wasn't even for the food. He's just angry. He bit like this far onto my hand.
I know, some of them are mean.
He's an angry little bit. Some of you are not reaching for food.
Let's go feed these ones.
Some of them are just angry.
Oh, there's places you can set food down. Okay, let's see what happens if I do this. No, stay away. I'm trying to give you food.
I handed one right to him. Right to this guy.
Stay. Bit at my cup.
You bit my hand.
Stay back. Stay back.
It reminds me of the like Jurassic World one, like holding that.
Yeah. They're distracted. I'm gonna feed this guy a little.
This guy, he's gonna be my friend.
They just like ran their heads.
He's insane. He's the crazy guy.
We gotta finish up this ostrich food so we can get to the next stuff. They're not gonna catch it.
I want one to catch it. This guy's face.
You gonna bite for the camera? They look so confused when I bring the camera up. What if the ostrich took it?
Yeah, when they make that smile, it scares me.
I know. How much food do you got left in there? We gotta feed the bunnies and the stingray.
Everyone, Hey. Just pour them in.
I don't have any.
You guys having a good time?
They just like smash their faces into the...
Oh, he's getting this on. Oh. Hey. Look at that lamb. Yes. Yes.
Alright, you want to feed the rabbits?
Look at me. That face. You want to take a picture of that? You want a picture?
No, you can't have my cup.
Hey, look at me. You want a picture?
Oh,
He's like, you don't take a picture of him.
Okay, I want to figure out where we take this little seed stick. It's probably up here somewhere with the birds. Oh, it's hot out here. Oh, these are Nigerian dwarf goats. I think we fed some back at that hole in the wall. Should we feed the bunnies right now, or should we figure out this seed stick?
Well, that's for over there.
This is rabbit food?
Yeah.
The coins are different. Did anything happen? This one is, oh, they're all the same coin, right? Yeah.
Drop one in there and not get it?
No, we opened the flap. It only gives you a little bit. Because the bunnies would get so full if it gives you so much. Oh, I didn't notice they were right here.
Hey guys. Drop it.
No, reach down and feed them.
This says not to put your finger in their mouth.
Yeah, because they'll bite, but... I thought it said to reach your hand down. Oh, right here. Do not put your fingers in their mouth. Just don't put your finger in its mouth. Hey? You want some? Yeah, they're nice. Well, they're so nice. Well, they're a little skittish, though. Hey? Hey?
Why am I scared of bunnies but not ostriches?
It just means don't put your finger, like, into its mouth.
Well, why am I scared of getting bitten by bunnies?
Oh, this one's great.
No.
That black one right there just ran across the whole thing to come see me.
Hey, you want some food? Anyone. What betting is it?
Hey?
You're not getting paid to just sit around.
Hey? Hey? Come here. Here you go. All right, want to go try and feed the ducks? Hey, let me pet you. Oh.
Nice dude.
This one will let me pet it. Oh, I almost fell in. Alright. Wanna go see about the birds. Those birds? Yeah.
I don't think that's part of the exhibit.
So yeah, so to finish feeding all the pellet food before coming over here. I'm gonna dump mine out actually. Still had a couple pellets in there. Duck feeding instructions. Small amount of duck food in your hand and make a fist? Oh,
Yeah, so they reach your...
that's interesting. They get some of this duck food. No, I got free too. The last one's probably for birdseed or something. You still got your stingray one?
Yeah.
Oh, my coin is in there with the food.
Really don't get much.
No. So these small ones, they get so full if you fed them all day.
This here?
Oh, oh, that's so cool.
They're more biting me than the food in my hand.
Oh, it's so weird.
Look at me pee.
Feels so weird. Yeah.
They don't bite hard.
I'll just like touch your hand.
Yeah.
Can I pet you? Can you pet one?
Oh, this is so weird. Their beaks feel so
Can
weird.
you pet one? It's so weird.
They'll just try and bite.
What is that?
Alright.
I want to pet one. Hey.
Move on to we get to use the nectar cup in here. But where do you use the little seed stick?
Well, I saw people using it over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, because we can't bring the seed stick in here, so. And then we use the nectar.
This was so worth $15.
It was really worth $15.
Just the duck experience alone was worth $15.
The ducks, they felt so weird on my hand when they were eating that.
And they don't like peck you, they open their mouth a tiny bit.
But it's so fast.
It's like a massage.
That's so impressive.
A moist massage.
Okay, so you feed it to parakeets.
Yeah. At least I didn't say I fed a parakeet.
Yeah, I was just wondering what I was supposed to do with this seed-covered stick. Let's go to this side. It looks like there's most people.
Why is this just like the coolest place I've ever been?
I don't know. It's impressive.
Like good stuff. Oh, they're going to town on my seeds.
There's two blue ones.
I had 2 green ones on my seeds. Oh, there's 3 on my seeds. Oh, you have 4 on your seeds.
I know.
Good detail on there.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Like, painted. It's like neon. Yeah, some of these like look fake. I know. The green ones especially, I think, look fake. Yellow. Yeah.
And there's a little black in there.
Yeah.
How you doing? A cool photo right here.
I haven't seen a pure yellow one yet.
On
Yeah,
your,
he's like albino. Look, his eyes are red.
It's got red eyes, yeah.
he's on your feed.
Oh yeah, that one got on yours.
Oh, there's another yellow one. There's a white one. White and blue one.
Our white one's full again.
Oh, there's some seeds. Oh, this guy takes the stick from me. He's got some foot on the stick. I had it.
Did you?
It went on. Its paw was on my finger. Its claw.
Look at that one's kind of sad. Being up there, like in the corner, like all like, oh. Put his head down.
He's holding on to my feed stick. Like I can't take this away.
I'm just gonna leave it stick like that.
He's on my feed stick.
Mine's pretty much done.
You could kidnap these birds.
You could.
Probably, if they want to. Look, I'm holding him up on the feed stick.
How would you even get it
They're
off?
fighting. They were fighting on my feed stick. What is happening? What is happening?
They are fighting over it. I'll distract one of them. Oh no, let go. He's trying to take it.
She's like, this is gonna be fun.
No, let go.
Just holding it high up.
Oh, here's where you put the sticks. Alright, I'm gonna go feed the nectar to those other birds that I don't remember.
No, I'm just very like, why is this so enjoyable? Oh, there's about to be another fight real quick. So like, pull this bad boy through. Turn it upside down. Can you let me have it? Wait.
Just kind of pull a little bit more, they'll jump off.
His head.
Alright. Let's go feed the nectar to those other birds.
Feed it by hand.
So we had one spare token, but
I want to feed the ducks again. If it's not.
Oh, you want to feed the ducks again?
Well, if we can't feed anything else with that token, I want to feed the ducks.
Take your token, because we have to put our cups down before going in. So put your token in your pocket.
If so, like, those ducks were worth the token.
They were. Those were fun.
I don't know why it just felt so good to have that duck eating food out of your hand.
It really did. It was like a little massage thing.
This is the area where you can like hold the birds.
Oh yeah, I see people holding them.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like they'll fly onto you so you can feed them.
I want to be able to grab my phone and
What?
this little fish.
What is that? Maybe
Oh,
that's what
this
they
guy.
have tacos for.
This guy. It's
You got it on you?
There's another one on me.
Oh. Here, come on. Come on, my arm.
I felt like
Oh.
I felt it on. I thought it was like a giant bee.
This is so cool.
Look at the tongue movement.
They're fighting over your nectar.
I have 2 arms. You can each land on an arm.
So interesting to watch what he's doing.
His turtle's over there.
Oh, who knew? Maybe that's what the other food is for. I don't know. What are you doing?
Do they like to hang out?
Oh, he backed away from the one you have.
I think mine's just an alpha chat. He ran up to me.
Yeah. Oh. My bird just took a crap, but missed my hand entirely.
Yeah, he's a nice bird. There's one on his head. Did you say it's worth the money they got?
Yeah. Oh. I almost started a bird fight there. Alright, we should go feed the stingray.
Do they play fast?
Put their cup in the garbage. What's been your favorite part so far?
I don't know.
I actually really like that last part with the birds. Here, let's go feed the stingray first, and then so we can get that on video, and then we can come back and just wander around here a little bit. Get some pictures off camera.
I might pay the $2 to get free tickets.
I might too. That was actually pretty cool. This is a little like piece of Africa and Europe in the middle of Arizona.
Yeah.
What was this place called again? There's signs all over the place.
It's like the Ostrich and
Rooster Cogburn Ostrich Ranch in Arizona. Those little donkeys, I forgot about that. Get your stingray token.
I feel bad for the sheep. They like get completely forgotten about.
Oh, we fed the sheep a little.
I know, but they like.
And feeding a stingray, that just seems stupid to me. I don't
think they think
it seems like a dangerous thing to do.
I'll help these folks and I'll be back in to help you with stingrays.
Okay, sounds good. Get a little film in there. That's where all the stingrays are.
It's actually cool.
I know. They might, if that over there in the gift shop. Oh, there's ducks back there in there.
There's oceanfront property in Arizona.
Oh yeah. Told you. Trying to show off everything before we get to go in there. Show off all the signs.
See, it's a little bit like this.
Yeah. Like what?
Like that, I think.
I think so. You gotta hold your hand flat. You can't.
Put the finger between your middle finger and your palm. Up face.
I think we can step in here. We just aren't allowed to feed them yet. Until they.
Okay, come on in, gentlemen.
Hi.
Have you been enjoying yourself?
Yeah, this place is cool.
Okay. I'll be right with you, folks. Okay, step over here. They have no teeth, so they can't bite you.
Okay.
They have no stingers, so they can't sting you. How we feed them is we take a piece of this food, which is squid or calamari. You lay it on your hand like that.
Between your finger.
Gotta hold it slightly between your fingers so it doesn't float away.
Okay.
Put your hand down in the water about that deep.
Okay.
They swim over top of your hand, and they eat like little kids eat spaghetti.
Huh.
You're gonna slurp on it. While they're doing that, you can reach in and pet them and interact with them. Spend some time with them, okay?
Okay. Just like this.
Oh, that is so weird. The vacuum. That is so weird.
That is weird.
It, like the hours of that.
Oh, this is so cool.
You got the he sucked my pinky finger into his
Did he?
mouth. It hurt.
I hope this looks cool on the camera. I think it
I'm
will.
gonna dry off my hand so I get a video on my hand.
Oh, he's got my hand.
I want a picture.
That's so cool. Alright, I feel like that's a good place to end it. We saw everything.
That is